Okay, this is your GSR. Today our topic real numbers. What is meant by real number? The real numbers are denoted by the letter R. R means real numbers. R is equal to Q union Q dash. What is meant by real number? The union of rational and irrational numbers. The union of rational and irrational numbers is called a real numbers. So, what is the rational number? Which numbers are included in rational numbers? The numbers which can be written as in the form of P by Q is called a rational numbers. The numbers which can be written as in the form of P by Q is not equal to 0 is called a rational numbers. తెలుగులో వీటిని మనం అకరణీయ కరణీయ సంఖ్యల సముదాయాన్నే వాస్తవ సంఖ్యలు అంటారు. అకరణీయ కరణీయ సంఖ్యల సముదాయాన్నే వాస్తవ సంఖ్యలు అంటారు. సో ఈ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఎలా వచ్చినాయో మనం చూద్దాం. రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే మనకి ఇంటీజర్స్ జెడ్ ప్లస్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ Z means integers. How make the integers? This is Z plus union set of 0 union Z minus. Z minus means negative integers, positive integers. Negative integers, positive integers and 0 is called a integers. Next, Z plus. How to make the Z plus? This is come to set of 0 Z plus 0. Z plus 0 becomes W. W means whole numbers. The whole numbers are made by set of 0 and natural numbers. Once again, 0 and natural numbers is called whole numbers. The whole numbers is written as in other form of Z plus and 0. Z plus and 0 and negative numbers are called integers. Integers plus fractions is called rational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. So in this chapter we are all learn about these are all topics, and the natural numbers. N means natural numbers divides into even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, palindrome numbers, and friendship numbers. So even, odd, prime, composite, palindrome, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ నెంబర్స్. ఇంకా మనం ఈ చాప్టర్లో ఇక్కడ రాసినటువంటి టైటిల్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకుంటేనే రియల్ నెంబర్స్ అనేది మనకి కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ది న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ అనేది తీసుకుందాం. న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ రిప్రజెంట్ ద క్యాపిటల్ N. N is the set. Small n represents the one of the element of the natural number. Okay. For example, natural numbers. n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What is the first number? 1. What is the second number? 2. What is the 100th number? 100. What is the nth number? N. What is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? What is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? He asked most important question. What is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? First 10, 1 to 10. So we leave the 10 remaining numbers. 1 and 9, 10. 2 and 8, 10. 3 and 7, 10. 4 and 6, 10. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and remaining 5. 5 tens plus 5. How much? 55. 55. This is a small problem. If he want what is the sum of 100,000 natural numbers. Now this process is not correct. It is very hardly. So we have one formula. Sum of first n natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. The first 10 means n is 10. It implies 10 into 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. The 5 times 5 11s, 55. This is very easy process. Next, first 100. 100 into next number 101 by 2. 100 lo half 50. 50 into 1 50. 50 into 0 it's not value. 50 into 1 50. So we got a name of the biscuit. What is the name of the biscuit? 50 50. The sum of first 100 natural numbers is 50 50. So this is the very easy process. Next AM. AM means arithmetic mean or average. Average of first 10 natural numbers. Average of first 10 natural numbers. Average means సగటు. సగటు ఎంత? మొదటి 10 సహజ సంఖ్యల సగటు ఎంత? సో సమ్ సగటు AM ఫార్ములా sum of observations by number of observations. What is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? 55. By how many natural numbers we taken? 10. That means 5.5. 5.5. This also long process. It one has a small formula. The sum of the average of first n natural numbers is equal to 1 plus n by 2. The average of first n natural numbers is equal to 1 plus n by 2. 1 plus what is the n in this formula, in this problem? What is the n? 10. 1 plus 10 by 2. Half of the 10, 5. Half of the 1, 0.5. So 10.5. This is the sum and average of the natural numbers. Okay. Okay, next types of natural numbers lo em cheptunnam manam? Even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, palindrome numbers, ఇంకా ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ నెంబర్స్. వీటిలో కొన్ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం మనం. ఫస్ట్ది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్. even numbers. What is meant by even number? The number which is exactly divisible by 2. The number which is exactly divisible by 2. These are even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. What is the general form of even number? General form. సాధారణ రూపం అంటాం. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ యొక్క సాధారణ రూపం జనరల్ ఫామ్. సరి సంఖ్య, దీని తెలుగులో మనం సరి సంఖ్య అంటాం. జనరల్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ద 2n. n బిలాంగ్స్ టు న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్. 2n అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ n ప్లస్లో నువ్వు ఏ నెంబర్ రాసి 2తో ఇంటూ చేసినా వచ్చే నెంబర్ ఏమవుతుంది నీకు? ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 2 into 4 8 ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. 2 into 11 22 ఆల్సో even number. So general form of even number 2n, where n belongs to natural number. Next దీంట్లో మనకి sum of first n even numbers, even natural number. And for example, first 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many even numbers you can take? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 even numbers. What is the sum of first 5 even numbers? Look. 2, 8, 10, 4, 6, 10, 10. How much? 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. It have also one formula. Sum of first n even numbers. What is the formula? n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1. In this example, how many even numbers are taken? n is equal to 5. 5 even numbers are we can take. So now sum is equal to n into n plus 1. n means 5. So 5 into 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Totally 5 into 6, 30. This is general, this is the formula. Okay, next one more example. The sum of first 100. Sum of first 100 even numbers. We take the formula. 100, n into n plus 1, so 100 into 100 plus 1, so 100 into 101, how much that? 100 into 101, 100. Okay. Next average or mean of even numbers. The average of first n even numbers. We take the 5 even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the 5. n is equal to 5 even numbers. Average or mean formula. Sum of observations by number of observations. Sum means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. How much? 30 by number of observations 5 is 6. What is the relation between n and 6? N value and 6. N plus 1. 6 is equal to 5 plus 1. That means 5 means n plus 1. So the average or mean of first n even numbers is equal to n plus 1. N plus 1. What is the mean of first 100 even numbers? First 100 even numbers. 100 plus 1. 101. First 1000 numbers. 1000 plus 1. 1001. This is the even. This is about the even numbers. Look at even number means the number which is exactly divisible by 2. Example, general form 2n. Sum of first n even numbers n into n plus 1. Average of first n even numbers n plus 1 only. Now I ask one more question. What is the 39th even number? What is the 39th even number? How can you calculate that? We can use the formula. General form. What is the general form? 2n. So 39 is the n. 2 into 39. How much this? 78. Okay. Okay, next odd numbers. Odd numbers. What is the odd number? What is meant by odd number? The number which cannot exactly divisible by 2. Which cannot exactly divisible by 2. అంటే 2తో ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ కాకూడదు. 2తో ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ అయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. అవ్వకపోతే దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అని చెప్తాం. దీనికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వచ్చేసి మనకి 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. What is the general form? General form of odd number? General form is the 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. అంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ప్లస్ 1 ఆర్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ మైనస్ 1. అంటే ఏ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్లోంచైనా నువ్వు 1 మైనస్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది ఆడ్ నెంబర్, లేదా ఈవెన్ నెంబర్కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. అంటే ప్లస్ చేసినా మైనస్ చేసినా నీకు వచ్చేటువంటిది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, జనరల్ ఫామ్ ఇది. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ n odd numbers. Formula tarvata first we can take an example. Odd numbers, first 5 odd numbers తీసుకోండి. What are the first 5? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How much this? Adding this 1 plus 9, 10, 3 plus 7, 10, 5. Totally 25. So first 100 odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. First 10 199. So it is possible easily adding it, addition possible easily. It's not possible because it's a large numbers. So what is the relation between number of odd numbers and the sum? Number of odd numbers is 5. That means n is equal to 5. The sum is equal to 25. What is the relation this? The 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. This one also write 5 square. So the sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n into n. That means n square. The sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n squared. Next, so what is the answer of in this? The sum of first 100 natural numbers is equal to 100 squared. 100 square is 10,000. Next, average or mean of first 10 odd numbers. First 10 odd numbers. What are the first 10 odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, ఇంకా 17, 19, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the average? Average formula: sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Sum means is total. How much the total? 1 plus 19, 20. 3 plus 17, 20. 5 plus 15, 20. 3 plus 13, 20. 9 plus 11, 20. How many 20s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20s. How many 20s? 5 20s. 5 20s, 100. This is the sum. By how many odd numbers we taken? 10. So 0, 0 cancel. 10. So the mean of, average of first 10 odd numbers is 10. So 10, 10. That's like the average of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n. The average of first 50 odd numbers is equal to 50. The average of first 2000 odd numbers is equal to 2000. This is about odd numbers. I ask one more question. What is the 25th odd number? What is the 25th odd number? 25th. What is the 25th odd number? 25th. So we calculate the general form. Now, which one you taken? 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1? 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. This is n belongs to n. In this case, n belongs to w. Whole numbers. 0 రాస్తేనే నీకు 1 వస్తుంది. 0 రాస్తే -1 వస్తుంది. 1 రాస్తే 1 అనేది ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది దీంట్లో. అంటే ఇది న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ సంబంధించింది n. ఇక్కడ n దేనికి సంబంధించిందంటే హోల్ నెంబర్స్ సంబంధించింది. సో వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ ద న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్. సో యూ టేకెన్ 2n minus 1. దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ద మెయిన్ జనరల్ ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ద ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే తెలుగులో మనం బేసి సంఖ్యలు అంటాం. ఇప్పుడు 25th 25 is the n. 2n minus 1. 2 into 25 minus 1. 50 minus 1. 49 is the 25th odd number. So this is about the odd numbers.